Here are the solutions to page 25. So this time we are going in descending order, or we're starting out with the largest number and going to the smallest. Once again, we're going to still stack our decimals. So we've got 8 7/12 is equivalent to 8.583, repeating. The scientific notation is equivalent to 0 and 8 thousandths. The square root of 10 is equivalent to approximately 3 and 162 thousandths. 8% is equivalent to 0 and 8 hundredths. And 80% is equivalent to 0 and 80 hundredths or 8 tenths. Okay, so if I want the largest number, then I'm going to be looking at my whole numbers first. So I'm seeing that I can compare 8 and 3. So the larger of the two is 8. So the largest number I have is 8 7/12. And then my next number is going to be the square root of 10. So now I'm going to compare my my whole numbers of 0 place value. So the place value that looks like it's going to be the largest out of 0, 0, and 8 is going to be 80%. And then my next largest, I'm comparing 8 and 0, so 8% will be next. And then the smallest value I have is my scientific notation. So 0.8 times 10 to the negative 2. Right now for number 4, once again I'm stacking my decimals. So 5 times 10 to the second is equivalent to 500. I'll put my decimal after my last 0. The square root of 25 is equivalent to 5. 3 3/4 is equivalent to 3 and 75 hundredths. 50% is equivalent to 0 and 5 tenths. And 5 4/10 is already a decimal. So now the largest number I have is 500. So my scientific notation will go first. And then the next numbers that I have to compare are my place values in the ones place, and I have 5 and 5 4/10. So 5 4/10 will come next. And the square root of 25 will be next. And then my other place values are 3 and 0, so 3 3/4. And the smallest value is 50%.